Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the video.
Hi, my name's Tim Kozar. I have a very special car here. It's a 1968 Dodge Coronet RT Convertible. Number-wise, it's one of 519 that was ever made. Highly optioned car, all numbers matching. Underside total rotisserie, fully painted. I've had it for 2 years. Ton of compliments on it. Color's gorgeous. I love it to death. I've had Mopar people come up to me and say that they've never physically even seen one of these. So the last one that was numbers matching was in 2018, sold at a Meacham car auction, and one just popped up in, I think it's Atlanta. Dark green, lime green interior, same thing, totally done, numbers matching. Besides that, like I said, just a very, very rare car.
How is it to drive?
Oh, it's amazing. Ton of compliments. You get the thumbs up all the time, you know. It's just the coolest feeling in the world. And I actually had the stomach to be able to sit there and drive this vehicle, but I drove it 2,500 miles last year to all the car shows and won numerous awards already. 3 or 4 best of shows. So yeah, just a blast. Total dream come true, and not going to sugarcoat it.
What type of rims that you have?
Those are Foos rims that are on there. I also have the red line tires with the hubcaps that originally came with, but I like to dress it up. That's the way I like it right there. Originality wise and stuff, you know, I know a lot of people like that, but I just like the sparkle on it.
Sure. Talk about CarShow awards.
Again, best of show at a couple different ones the last 2 years. Best of show at the Tilted Kilt here in Bolingbrook. Homer Glen Kono Farms last year and this year I already won best of show. So it's just once again, it's just a dream come true. It's not always about the awards. I get the satisfaction just talking with the people at the shows, just coming up to you, giving you their stories and stuff. That's what it's all about. Awards are nice, but the camaraderie that you meet the people at the shows and stuff, that's everything. So, hi, next I figured we'll take a look at the engine. Come on over here. It's like I said before, it's a numbers matching 440 big block. It does have a little bit of a bigger cam to it, and it has a 391 rear end instead of the 355 it came with. So just a little bit beefier than the norm. Besides that, I mean, everything else is pretty much, you know, I try to wipe it down. I try to keep it clean and stuff, you know, because it's so pristine. The gentleman that did the car 2 years ago that I got it off of, he did everything. He was a total Mopar guy, concrete guy, just, you know, his love, his passion and stuff is amazing. So.
Have you had many parades at all?
No, they didn't really want to put it in a parade, you know. I know it's kind of cool, but I had offers to put it in and I didn't, so. The standard horsepower on the big block is 365. It's a 385. So with the little bit bigger cam and a little bit modifications that there is, it's probably closer to 400 horsepower. Fun to drive. So if people were to sit there and ask, like, what's my favorite thing about this car? You gotta say the paint. You just gotta say the paint. It's like the blue is just unbelievable. You know, it's not a B5 blue, what everybody thinks it is. It's actually a QQ1 code, and that's a 1968 code. So in '69 was B5 blue. The only reason you notice the difference if it was side by side, they're that close. One's got a little bit more metallic than the other. That's it. Yeah, that's what I said.
Hot?
That's why better.
Turn right, go left. Nice look. Nice look.
Whatever you guys want to do is fine.
All right, how many miles are on the car?
It's got 100,000 miles and 1,200. So it's 101, 200. That's what it is.
All right, and then what year was the car made in?
1968.
Have you made any modifications to the car?
I have not. I basically bought the car almost as is. I did a couple little tweaks to it, but no major modifications whatsoever.
So it was entirely blue?
This is all original, yes.
I love that.
Original color, original motor, original trans, everything. So yeah.
All right, what is your favorite thing to eat at Tilted Kilt?
Oh my God, the burgers are amazing.
Burgers? Good
Yeah.
choice. Good
Yeah.
choice.
And the beer's cold, so it helps wash down that burger.
And the girls.
They're amazing.
If you were invited to a parade, would you invite us?
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's a group thing. Yes. Yeah. It's a parade booth. I'm saying
right here.
That's when, like, maybe
Yeah.
someone
Yeah.
stand, like, you guys stand.
Here, why don't somebody stand here? And then somebody can stand here.
Hannah, you could literally like come right here. Or you could stand right there. Whatever. Oh, my sunblock is slipping too.
I don't know when we're posing.
Me either. I wasn't ready. Hold on. What's your favorite muscle car?
A box Chevy.
It's not a muscle car, but I love my Honda Civic. His name is Barry. He's got me through everything.
Maybe a Corvette or like a Ferrari? I like Camaros. Thanks for watching.